Often we get patients coming in and they're embarrassed, their teeth are loose, they're falling out, one every 6 months or so, and they're hiding their smile. So with the teeth in a day procedure, we can take them from that point of pain and suffering with their teeth, and we give them something brand new to start off with, and we can tell them that, you know, this is a new set, a new lease on a set of teeth that you can take care of and move forward in your life in a new step. Often with the teeth in a day procedure, we get patients that are coming in that have existing teeth that need to be removed, and a lot of people are afraid to go home without having a new set of teeth. We always make sure that there's a temporary set that is made ahead of time based on the workup, based on the CT scan, based on pictures, models that we take, so that we are for sure going to guarantee that you'll go home with a new set of teeth, whether they are permanently fixed in the mouth or even a temporary set that may not necessarily be attached to the implants on that day. Often we get patients that have come into the practice and they've either had experiences with their dentures moving or their dentures popping out, or they've had to use denture adhesives in the past. Once they have their permanent set of fixed teeth in place, they're able to enjoy those kinds of foods that they missed out on. They're able to bite into an apple, for example. They're able to eat a steak. They don't have to be embarrassed and worried about their teeth coming out all the time. It really is a life-changing procedure.